teachers, and my dear friends. We are all living Corona crisis, but we have learned many new things because of Corona. Very important lesson. It taught us is to stay healthy. Also, we have learned to have everything what we have. We are responsible for exploiting our environment and natural resources, but the lockdown caused less pollution and environment has healed itself.
Good morning, dear Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Isn't this something we really have to think about? The earth has the most favorable climatic conditions that help us to survive, and we have to take care of our environment and preserve our resources. The modern technology become the reason for our economic growth, but it is affecting our natural resources.
Today, we will present you a small effort to bring an awareness to reduce pollution, cleaning our environment, and using our resources wisely. Because nature's beautiful miracle which made us exist here.
Don't spoil the soil. So here is the skit before you related to soil pollution. While all the animals are happy and joyful, why are you so sad?
My little calf is sick after it swallowed plastic bags, thinking it to be food. You humans are so irresponsible.
Oh, that's bad. Hey, Rinky, did you hear that?
We need to do something about the plastic litter. Let's call Professor Pinto for help.
Hello, children. That indeed is a big problem we humans have created. Do you know we Indians generate plastic waste equal to weight of 9,000 big elephants every day? And all this finds its place in landfills, mountains and oceans. There are simple things that we can do to minimize this menace. Like use cloth bag when you go out for shopping. Carry your own steel water bottle. Segregate the waste into wet and dry. Limit usage of plastic as far as possible. And there are some organizations who collect plastic waste and recycle it. They make beautiful bags and artifacts using it. We should all follow this. Do you promise that you will?
Yes, Professor, we take this pledge. We will also tell our family and friends. Thank you, Professor. Bye-bye.
Mama, I'm very hungry. What's for lunch today?
Pinky, I have made your favorite school wali pav bhaji and fruit custard. Let me finish this work, then we will have lunch.
Wow, Mama! Pav bhaji and custard! Yum! But why are you putting these vegetable and fruit peels in the soil? We should not pollute the soil. Professor Pinto told us that it is bad for us humans and also for animals.
Don't worry, beta. This waste doesn't pollute the soil. Instead, it makes the soil rich. We recycle the wet waste into compost. We make compost from this. Compost is called black gold. It is the best food for plants. And do you know who helps us in this? Earthworms. They turn this waste into compost. One more thing, we should always use natural pesticides and fertilizers like neem, gomitra and cow dung. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are toxic. They are harmful for the soil and also for us.
Wow, Mama, you're the best. Hey, you all look so happy.
We want to see you like this always.
air. Don't pollute the air.
चलो शिनचैन देखते हैं।
रोज ये व्यायाम कीजिए। गहरी सांस लेते हुए शुद्ध हवा अंदर लेनी है। इसके फायदे सुनिए। आपकी उम्र कम लगेगी, आपके बाल झड़ना कम होंगे, आपकी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ेगी, आपका दिमाग तेज काम करेगा और आपकी एनर्जी रहे। और कोई प्रश्न है तो कॉल कीजिए 98989898 पे।
रोज अरे हर जाने के बाद बाबा जी के यार बंद कर देता हूँ। Benefits of clean air are what they are talking about, but is the air really clean? Industrial pollution, vehicle pollution, cutting down of trees for construction causes air pollution and our ozone layer shrinks. रुको, मैं बाबा जी को कॉल कर कर मेरी प्रॉब्लम बताता हूँ। हेलो बाबा जी, मैं अर्चित, मुझे आपसे कुछ कहना है।
जी बोलो बेटा।
बाबा जी, शुद्ध हवा के फायदे बहुत हैं, पर हवा ही शुद्ध नहीं है। पहले हम लोगों को बताते हैं कि हवा को शुद्ध कैसे करें। एक बार अगर हवा शुद्ध हो जाए तो मेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व हो जाएगी। मम्मी की उम्र कम लगेगी, मम्मी के बाल झड़ना कम होगा, मम्मी ब्यूटी पार्लर कम जाएगी और पैसे भी बचेंगे। और अगर इम्यूनिटी बढ़ेगी तो कोरोना जैसे ऐसे कुछ हो तो सब बंद कर घर पर नहीं बैठना पड़ेगा।
सही बात है बेटा। आज से मैं एयर पोल्यूशन कम करने के उपाय बताऊंगा। पेड़ पौधे लगाओ, एसी का उपयोग कम करो, गाड़ी का उपयोग कम करो, पास में जाना हो तो पैदल या साइकिल पे जाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ, इस धरती को स्वर्ग बनाओ।
There are so many things to remember. Let me note this down. Why are you wasting the paper? But where the waste is coming when it's only a paper? Have a look. Save our home. The deforestation skip.
अरे काय करतोस तू? चल खेळायला येतोस का?
मी झेंडे उचलत आहे. काल 15 ऑगस्टला सगळे झेंडे फडकून रस्त्यातच टाकून दिले.
पण तू का उचलतोय हे सगळे?
तिरंगा असा रस्त्यात टाकून देणे म्हणजे आपल्या राष्ट्राचा अपमान नाही का? आणि कागदचं तर जपून वापरायला पाहिजे. कागद बनवायला तर कितीतरी झाडे तोडावी लागतात. कागद जपून नाही वापरलं तर खूप झाडे तोडावे लागतात. आणि जे की पर्यावरणासाठी बिलकुल चांगलं नाही. तर सेव्ह पेपर सेव्ह ट्री बद्दल ऐकलं नाही का?
सेव्ह पेपर सेव्ह ट्री हे काय नव्हे?
अरे मित्रा, हे झाडे म्हणजे तर आपला सगळ्यात चांगला मित्र आहे. हे झाडे आपल्याला फळ, फूल, धान्य तसेच आपल्याला शीतल हवा देतात. हे झाडे म्हणजे कितीतरी पक्ष्यांचे निवारा आहे. या झाडापासून टेबल, खुर्ची, बेड अशी कितीतरी वस्तू बनवले जातात.
ओ, आता मला समजले. आमच्या टीचरने काही दिवसांपूर्वी आम्हाला फोटोसिंथेसिस शिकवले होते. टीचरने सांगितले की झाडे फोटोसिंथेसिसमध्ये कार्बन डायऑक्साईड आत घेतात आणि ऑक्सिजन बाहेर सोडतात. ही झाडे म्हणजे संपूर्ण विश्वाचे जणू लंग्सच आहेत. झाडांपासून
खूप सारे औषधे बनवली जातात. पाऊस पडण्याच्या क्रियेमध्ये झाडे खूप उपयोगी येत असतात.
अगदी बरोबर बोललास. एवढे सारे फायदे अजूनही माणसं झाडे तोडतात, जंगल नष्ट करत आहे, त्यामुळे एअर पोल्युशन वाढत आहे आणि ऑक्सिजनची लेवल कमी होऊन कार्बन डायऑक्साईड आणि इतर हानिकारक वायू वाढत आहे, जे की आपल्या शरीरासाठी बिलकुल चांगलं नाही. आणि सिमेंटचे जंगल ऐवजी आपल्याला हिरवे जंगल वाढवायला पाहिजे.
बरोबर. चल तर मग आजपासून आपण शपथ घेऊ की आपण झाडे लावू, झाडे जगवू. सेव्ह अर्थ, सेव्ह पेपर, सेव्ह ट्रीज, सेव्ह अर्थ. This is going to be my anthem. पेड़ लगाओ, सारे मिलकर पेड़ लगाओ, धरती पर हरियाली लाओ, प्रदूषण को तुम दूर भगाओ. Can I have a glass of water? Thank you. Only half glass of water?
Yes, finish this and then I will give you more. Else we will have to throw the remaining water.
Oh, come on.
Remember what our animal friends told us about water pollution and saving water? Don't litter. Save water and conserve life.
Hey Charlotte, the medicine which I put yesterday worked because you look fine today. I wonder what happened yesterday to the water because all the fishes look sick. Do you know, Charlotte, in our class, our teacher talked about water pollution. We pollute our water by dumping trash, immersing ice, and using too many pesticides and fertilizers that are washed away in the water and the waste from factories and many other activities. It takes us 2 big filters to clean the water in the tank. I wonder, after all this pollution, how the fish will stay in the dirty water. We clean our house when it's dirty. We filter the water before we drink it. We don't even think we pollute the outside water. Who will clean the water? Who will give medicine to the fish when the fishes are ill? This water pollution should end. If we decided to together, we can end this water pollution. Okay, Charlotte, you should take rest now. Using plastic can be drastic. Don't litter, save water, and conserve life. I get it. The great mistake is to do nothing. When we can do only bit. Do what you can.
Environment is what is around us. Soil, air, light, and water. They are available for free. They don't ask for anything in return. So we must not pollute the environment and use the resources wisely.
So, to keep our Mawsam as it is, we, the Vidya Valley Green Brigade, pledge to do our bit. As every small step matters. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Save water.
Save पाणी. मी नेहमी हेच पाणी झाडांना टाकेल, म्हणजे काहीच पाणी वेस्ट होणार नाही.
As we all know, a tree's plant help us in every possible way. They fulfill all our basic needs. Trees are natural filter of air. They absorb carbon dioxide and give us fresh oxygen. We all need tree for air, water, shelter, soil, clothing. Today I, Avnish Bhosle, want you all to meet my friend Mango Tree. Every day I take care of it and I take care of me. Save tree. Trees, they will save you.